So once again, it's time for our yearly detoxification program. So last year we had amazing results. We brought the same program, which is the NutriClear Plus 15-day Metabolic Cleanse. The nice thing about this program is that it is a two-phase detoxification program. What does that mean? It means it helps your liver cleanse all the toxins out. Because we've had so much more pesticides and herbicides in the air and the food that we eat, it's important to at least do this once a year. So, as part of your package, you get this booklet. It explains pretty much the entire program. You will actually get the shakes themselves. And actually, if you don't mind bringing me the kit is in my office, and I'll actually go through it. So, during this cleanse, it is important to follow all the food instructions that are in here. So you'll have foods that you can eat, for example, salmon, but you want to cut out the dairy products. You don't want to have cheese, you don't want to have milk or dairy, cut that out. Try to cut away all the wheat products. So instead you could buy gluten-free breads. Organic oils and even butter is fine, but no margarine, no refined oils. Cut them out of your diet, at least for the period of this cleanse. More fruits and vegetables that you normally eat are recommended, and more so vegetables, because we don't get enough fiber on a regular basis. So with the fiber, actually helps to push out all the toxins from your intestinal tract to clean them. A lot of people think fruit juices are good for you. In this case, try to stay away from them. Eat as little sugar as possible during the next 2 weeks, and that includes fruits. So if you're gonna have an apple or some berries, that's fine, but don't have like 10 apples a day. That's bad, it's too much sugar for your cleanse. In terms of sweeteners, stay away from Splenda or artificial sweeteners. If you want something sweet, you could use stevia, monk fruit. Monk fruit is actually no calories. You can use some xylitol if you want to in your coffee, for example. But try to stay away from sugar itself, even if it's cane sugar that's not processed. So let's go through the kit. You have these packages, so you should have 2 of these a day. One shake, for example, for breakfast, one for dinner. Or if you feel like, you know, that's too much for me, I need more food than that, you can actually just do it once a day and just have snacks in between, or have 2 meals a day. The recommendation with this cleanse is to have 1 main meal a day. So for example, you could do dinner or lunch, or you could have protein and vegetables, and then the other 2 meals you substitute it with a shake. In between, of course, you can have snacks, healthy snacks like almonds, you can have seaweed, you can have an apple, you can have some carrots with hummus. Those are healthy snacks. You also want to take the supplements as directed, and as part of these supplements, there's 5 tablets. And each of the tablets have different herbs that help your liver to detoxify. So for example, bromelain is one of the things that's in here. Bromelain and other enzymes help get rid of toxins. We have antioxidants in those tablets, and those also from natural sources. The antioxidants just give your body support during the cleansing process. We also have some herbs in here for liver detoxification. But as an additional to this, if you want to do a parasite cleanse, I do recommend that you take some micellized oregano. Micellized oregano is called ADP, and you want to take that twice a day, morning and evening. And it really helps to kill off any kind of parasites. And most of us have parasites, probably 99% of us. And parasites come from sushi, they can come from organic vegetables that are not washed properly. I mean, they could really come from handling any type of raw meats. So they're widely present. And what's wrong with parasites, you might think? Well, it sucks the energy from your own vitality because they feed off of you. So the less parasites you have, the more energy you will have. It also comes with a shaker in here, so you can take this on the go. And I'll be traveling for the next couple of week, so I'll be taking my smoothie on the go, which is the best thing you can have, actually. The nutrition in this, this is actually not just pea protein powder, which is a great source of protein because it's easily absorbed, but it also has vegetable powder, like broccoli, for example, and a lot of other cruciferous. It also has some fruit powder, so it's really a complete meal. That's something to know. So you'll probably get more nutrition from this detox than you do from your everyday diet. If you want to add probiotics to this cleanse, you absolutely can. I take 25 billion every morning, especially if you're going to do the ADP or the micellized oregano for the parasites. Definitely add the probiotic 25 billion, either at night or in the morning, but it has to be on an empty stomach. Okay? Don't take it with the food. When you take probiotics, you should wait about half an hour in between, like before you eat, for example, and then you can eat. But the most important thing during this 2-week process, food intake is one of the processes we detoxify, but I highly encourage you to also think about mind, body, and spirit. So not just intestinal health, but think about your sleep pattern. Do I need to get more sleep? Do I get a restful sleep? If you don't sleep enough, just make sure you make it a point to go to bed earlier than you normally do, to get the 7-8 hours of sleep that are recommended. When you sleep, you regenerate. We all do. So sleeping well during detoxification is very important. Exercising, a lot of people ask me, do I need to exercise or do I, maybe take a break? This is not a fasting type of detoxification. So definitely exercise. Exercise helps with the lymphatic clearance of the toxins. Drinking plenty of water. Make it a point to drink more water than you normally drink, just to help flush out the toxins that are coming off the intestines. Also, people that are constipated, they won't be able to detoxify properly. This is something I just talked about earlier related to bad breath. When you get your bowel movement at least once a day, but hopefully 2 to 3 times a day, during a cleanse, you really see the toxins coming out. And you're going to see a clearer skin, just a more calming way of being. It's all part of feeling better. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. But we will have a Facebook group that is closed for all those of us who are doing the detox this year. And feel free to post recipes that you're doing, the healthy snacks that you might find at Whole Foods. I had a healthy snacks actually this morning. It was algae with almonds inside, just pressed together. They were so tasty. Probably the best crackers I've ever had in a while. But on the Facebook page, just let us know how you're doing, and we're going to get together. We're going to share our results and kind of empower each other. Detoxifying is, letting go of things, and it's not easy to have any kind of change. So I'm really proud of you for doing this. Taking 2 weeks and honoring yourself and your body to a better you.